I have so much to say about Roots Connected and the workshops that I was just very privileged to be able to attend. Dr. Shanika Perry, Director of Education Programs at Hands-On Atlanta. I am an educator by trade, have been in the field for 23, 24 years. It's been a while. And I've been everything from an English teacher to a camp counselor to a high school principal. And so this workshop really truly spoke to me because along with the importance of academics, of course, and what we are trying to do to increase academic outcomes for our students, we also know that we have to attend to conversations about race, about justice, and about equity. And Roots Connected just has a fantastic way of ensuring that everyone feels like they can be co-constructors of the knowledge in a really wonderfully affirming space that also looks to push and really looks to help us engage with our inner thoughts and our external thoughts. And so that's one of the things that I really loved about attending Roots Connected workshop. In terms of the facilitation, I would say that's one of the greatest takeaways that I've had, other than the importance of affirming everyone's humanity at all times to ensure that we truly have a sense of belonging in all of the spaces that we exist and all of the spaces that we coexist with the students that we love so dearly.